To replace the right pantry drawer slide rail in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the pantry drawer forward, then hold the slide rails as you push the drawer back and lift up to remove. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the slide rail to the support. With the screws unthreaded, you can set the old rail aside. To install the new pantry drawer slide rail, align it on the support and thread the two screws to secure. With both rails pulled out, insert the support bracket tabs into the slots in the side channels of the pantry drawer, then push the drawer in.